Here is the monster Manitowok Ice Maker. Very big. It's a restaurant here, and the ice maker produce a lot of ice. Here is evaporate. It's a bin for ice. A lot of ice. Now I need to repair it. The problem is not produce ice. Okay, this ice maker, ice machine, Manitowok. I repaired it. I have found that it was issue with high switch to the blower, to the fan. What was the issue? It started for 5 minutes, then stops, overheated. Fan not worked. Why fan not worked? Fan is okay, but this switch gives power to fan. I replace it here. So now 200 volts coming through the switch to the fan. The fan is behind here. Here. It's blow. This baby still working and will work.